Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unsend invite message on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, I'm going to open my Instagram direct messages, and I have sent invite message to this Instagram user, but there is no way to unsend invite message. I'm going to tap and hold on this message, and as you can see, those are the options. There is no option to unsend this invite message. But don't worry guys, because we can still unsend the invite message. If we want to unsend it, we have to block the account we have sent our invite message to. We can click on the account's name and click on the options and click on block. Okay, and you can click on block again and just wait for a moment. Okay, and now the account or this Instagram user has been blocked, and we need to delete the message like this. You can tap and hold on the message and click on delete. Okay, and right after you block and delete the message, the invite message will be unsent. And if you want to unblock it, you just need to go to your Instagram setting. Click on these three lines on the top right, and you can go to the blocked. Okay, and click on unblock. Okay. I guess then that's all the way to unsend invite message on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.